Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Dowinx oversized camping rocking chair. Actually, rocking chair that the brand sent to me for this review. It's inside this bag, and here is a rocking chair that supports 300 pounds. So you can see that comes with this bag that is super easy to use, for sure, super easy to take with you on the go many places. So let me actually take it out of the bag, and we're gonna see some of the really good features that this rocking chair has. So out of the bag, the only thing you need to do is just kind of like take these legs out, and you're gonna see two places for you to put your weight in it. And once you do that, that's it. That's everything you need to go, and your chair is gonna be super ready to go on that rocking adventure. So things that I like about this chair, first of all, how easy it is to assemble. I mean, it's not an assemble, but kind of like unfold, and it has this really nice rocking feature that's super smooth. You can actually put your whole body inside. As I was saying before, supports 300 pounds with this really nice waterproof, weatherproof, and breathable fabric, and actually has mesh right here, so if it's like a hot day or something like that, you have some ventilation, so that's actually pretty good. And it comes with these two pockets, one for your drink and another one in case you put a kind of want to put your phone, a book, or something like that. And I can tell that this is kind of like really nice. I weighed 190 pounds and I'm 5'10", and you can see that I have a really nice and comfortable position. I can actually put my whole head in it and be in this really nice, I want to just take a nap. I swear I want to take a nap. So bottom line, you can see how good this looks with the mesh right here, the breathable fabric, the design for sure, the logo, the pockets for the drink and the book or your device, and for sure this metal structure that you saw how easy it is to fold and unfold. So once you're done, you just fold it back again. Oh my god, this is so comfy. Yeah, it has a really nice rocking feature and super comfy, calm for my body. So as I was saying before, once you're done, you just like fold it back, put it back in the bag, and you're ready to go. Again, 300 pounds weight, max capacity, and for sure this is a really good rocking feature experience for camping, hiking, going to the park, going fishing or something like that. I don't know, this is super comfy. I do recommend the thumbs up. I'm gonna take a quick nap. Bye.